Hello guys, it's Nina and today I'll share my top 5 drawing advice for beginners. Please leave a comment below telling me and everyone else if you have cool advice for drawing beginners. Let's start! Number 1. Use a makeup brush for shading and blending. I use a makeup brush for shading and blending. Yes, you heard me. People normally use this to do perfect makeup. I use it for shading and blending. It's a lot better and easier to control the process with the makeup brush than a lot of the professional tools out there. Number 2. Put a paper under your hand to not smear your drawing. If you're right-handed like me, it's a good idea to start drawing from the top left corner of your paper. It's really cool advice to put a paper under your hand so you don't smear the drawing. You can even buy a special glove for drawing. You can do like me and live without though. Number 3. Draw from a reference picture on your smartphone. It's a good idea to have a smartphone or a tablet with your reference picture next to you. It makes it so much easier to measure distance and proportions for better results. You can see how I'm doing it in my tutorials. Number 4. Listen to music or watch TV shows while drawing. Drawing is like being in your own state of mind. But if you do drawings that take longer than 15 minutes, it's a good idea to entertain yourself while drawing, because you are less likely to get impatient when you're entertained. And that means less mistakes. It will actually also improve your drawings if you spend more time on them. Number 5. Draw the same picture again and again to see improvement. It's a good idea to draw the same picture or motif more than one time. If you like drawing eyes, draw a million eyes, and I promise you that eye number 1 million will be so much better than the first one you did. It's logic. Also, you will discover what areas of your skill should need improvement. I hope you liked my advice. If you like my channel, subscribe and ring the bell. And please tell me if you have any drawing advice for beginners that I need to try out. That was it. Thank you for watching and see you soon guys, bye!